Hey, what's up everyone? Mahesh here and hope you are doing well. If you have stumbled upon this video, you are probably checking out Travis Stephenson's simple profit system. Now, you might be wondering, is this the real deal or it's just another online scam? Well, today I've got the truth for you. I'm going to review the simple profit system by Travis Stephenson from start to finish, so you can make an informed decision on whether this program is worth your investment. But before we dive in, if you're really interested in my preferred method to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, just click the link below and I'll email you the details right away. Now, having reviewed numerous online making money methods, some are great while others are not worth your time. So let's take a closer look at Travis' simple profit system and see if it's a legitimate way to generate income online. But before that, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm going to reveal you an bonus for you. Alright, so let's get started. Travis Stephenson is a successful internet marketer known for selling various products. The simple profit system is the latest offering under the brand way. Essentially, it's an Amazon influencer training course, and the strategy involves creating review videos for Amazon products, becoming an Amazon influencer, and earning 3 to 5% commission on sales generated through your Amazon link. Inside the training, you'll find over 20 lessons with about 5 hours of content covering Amazon and affiliate marketing. Travis guides you through the process, emphasizing the need for video reviews. However, a significant challenge is sourcing enough Amazon products for reviews, as you'll need to physically handle and showcase the items in your video. So the key is to upload these videos to social media platforms and Amazon, where viewers may come across them while searching for specific products. If a viewer makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Now, here's the catch. Due to low commission rates, that is around 3% to 5%, you'll need to create a substantial volume of videos to make a significant income. It's a number game if we talk in depth. So Travis program is not expensive, priced at a one-time fee of $97, and there's a 7-day refund policy. And there are two upsells. One is for $49 per month affiliate marketing training, which is known as, and another one is $299 one-time fee for an Amazon influencer scaling program. Travis claims that most people can reach $10,000 per month with this strategy. However, my assessment is that achieving such income levels is challenging. Realistically, you might reach a few hundreds to a couple of $1,000 a month with substantial effort. So the strategy works, but Travis' income claims might be a bit exaggerated. So the pricing is reasonable, especially for a 5-hour training program, a $97. There's a short refund policy. But according to me, Travis doesn't refund you money, and the upsells are optional. However, there's a discrepancy in the Travis claims, stating most can reach $10,000 a month in the base program, but offering an upsell to reach $4,000 a month. So this raises questions about the accuracy of income projections. At last, I would like to conclude saying Travis program is decent, the strategy works, but it requires considerable effort and a realistic understanding of potential earnings. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and reaching $10,000 per month is a stretch. So the program is affordable, but be cautious about refund policies. If you are interested, just type simple profit system on Google and you'll come across with the program. And if you're exploring ways to generate income online and have no experience, I've got my favorite strategy for beginners to go from zero to making $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So I request you to click the first link in the description down below and I'll send you the details via email. And thank you for sticking to this video till the end. So I have my own program running across the internet right now, which is known as the Stasho method. Here I'm teaching people how to start their own dropshipping business by selling supplements through online. So this is really insane. At present I'm selling it for $1 if you are anywhere all across the world, but if you are from India, then I'm going to give this away for just 11 rupees. So if you are really interested, I request you to grab this bonus. Why? Because I'm selling this in the market for $37. Okay, you can find this exact program for $37, but If you are watching this video, if you want to become a VIP Inner Circle member, then you can grab this for just $1 and start your own supplement business right away. And I hope you found this review of a simple profit system helpful. Best of luck, and I'll catch you in the next product review. Please do subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.